Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be working on this 4th of July smash cake. It is going to be a healthy cake. The base is going to be like bananas and applesauce. For the recipe, go ahead and pause the video now. This was enough mix for me to fill up two 6-inch round pans. It wasn't filled completely, but it's still tall enough for a smash cake, of course. This one is going to be really simple. I am also going to use a whipped icing because it has much less sugar than a buttercream icing would. It also is a lot messier, so tips out there for moms with their first birthdays, go for whipped icing. It's a lot messier, and I know everybody wants those messy pictures. Cake all over their face. It is going to be really basic. I'm just doing a white cake. We're going to add these cute little 4th of July red, white, and blue sprinkles and call it a day. And it's safe to say that he loved the cake.